Hold on, I gotta put on the soundtrack to The Dark Knight.
Oh my god. Oh.
Let me put on the soundtrack. Bodyguard. Or Garden State.
Oh my god.
I feel like artsy kids lost their virginity to like they watched like Royal Tenenbaums afterwards. Like that.
I started making out with a guy one time, like, this is horrific, but like, we weren't paying attention to the TV, but I had monitor SVU.
What the hell, dude?
And like, we weren't paying attention when we start making out because we were like talking, and then I realized that some point it was like they're solving a gruesome rape. That this is not appropriate to make out like deeply. We need some peace.
That would just turn me on more. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know.
Like, ooh, this is not okay. We gotta change
I
this.
would fuck someone while they were doing an iced tea impression for Dirty Talk.
I would fuck someone for bringing me an iced tea.
In your vagina. Hi.